A xerophyte is a species of plant that has adaptation to live in a place with little liquid water, such as a desert or place in the Alps or the Arctic. Some xerophytes have tiny hairs on their surface to provide a reduced airflow. Thereby, they reduce the rate of evaporation. When a plant's surface is covered with tiny hair, it is called tomentose. Some plants can store water in root structure, trunk structures, stems, and leaves. Water storage in shallow-end part of the plant is known as succulents. Plants may secrete resins and waxes on their surface which reduce evaporation. Plants may drop their leaves in the time of dryness or modify the leaves so that they are smaller. Also, a key adaptation for many, waxy cuticle that coats the entire leaf, preventing water loss and stabilizing temperature. This is also a common adaptation among the coniferous trees in a very cold climates that must tolerate effective drought throughout the winter, even while surrounded by the melted snow. The root system is developed with extensive branching and often longer than the common root system. Xerophytic roots branch have more frequent and more developed root hairs than typical roots to maximize surface area. The xerophytes tend to have a relatively large amount of root tissues. Most plants can close their stomata at the time of water stress, at least partially, to restrict rates of transpiration. As compared to the other plants, xerophytes have an inverted stomatal rhythm during the day and especially during the midday when the sun is at its peak. Most stomata of xerophytes are closed. Xerophytic plants can have less overall surface area than other plants, reducing the area that is exposed to the air and reducing water loss by transpiration and evaporation. The color of a plant or of the waxes or hair on its surface may serve to reflect sunlight and reduce transpiration. Acacia trees, Joshua, Oleander, Mesquite, Condia, etc. are examples of xerophytes plants. In India, the vegetation of Rajasthan is categorized as natural desert thorn forest. The plants commonly found in Rajasthan are cactus, cassia, berry, eucalyptus, babul, axia, khejri, etc.